Welcome to the OpenStudyBuilder team's presentation for the DDF connectathon. Our team is a collaboration by Vedentic, RedCap Cloud, Neo4j, and Novo Nordisk. In this video, we will present the integration from OpenStudyBuilder to the common protocol template and the STM study design datasets. This is based on incorporating additional standards in addition to what is described with the USDM. So what is OpenStudyBuilder? It's a new way of making study specifications, based on entering data standards, ensuring consistency and compliance, facilitating more automation and content reuse. The studies part we demonstrated in the first video. The library part support management of industry standards as well as sponsor-defined extensions. This will enable the OpenStudyBuilder to be a knowledge graph of all study specifications and can act as a fair-based repository. Let's have a look into the library module. Within the library module, all reusable elements used for making study specifications can be maintained. For CDISC control terminology, we have all of those that are defined within the CDISC library, and we can extend with sponsor-defined extensions. Let's try to look up, for instance, root of administration, where we have all terms. You can look up specific terms. And one important part here is that we, besides having the CDISC submission values and the NCI preferred terms, we can actually also maintain the terminology we prefer to use as a sponsor within the protocol and CRFs and other places. Besides the control terminology, we also have subsets of various dictionary terms that can be used. We have the environmental concept represented as activity concepts, but also concepts for units, data collections, and compounds. We will describe those in a separate presentation. A very important part is the syntax templates. Syntax template is used to support the way we standardize, for instance, objective text, endpoints, criteria, and activity descriptions. Here you have the possibility to define the standardized wording with reference to template parameters, and these can then be instantiated within the study. And you can see here for the sample test study that we have the syntax template that are used for the objectives, and then in the study this can be filled in with values that are specific compounds and the specific indications and diagnostic groups that are relevant here. And you can then from the library see what studies are actually using those. So let's go back to the studies menu in the OpenStudyBuilder. In video 1, we demonstrated how we defined a lot of properties for the study related to CDISC control terminology. Also how we defined the study design structure of arms, elements, epochs, and also the study design cell matrix. All of these definitions will drive the structured content of the protocol, but they will actually also drive the definitions for the STM study design datasets. So here we see the CDISC representation in STM for trial arms, trial elements, visits, also trial summary domain. This means that we have one place where we define the definitions for the study that actually support multiple usage downstream.
Once you have your information in StudyBuilder, you obviously want to use it downstream. So for example, in the protocol, and we've created a Word add-in that allows you to pull the information from StudyBuilder into Word. It's a one-way connection. You only pull information from StudyBuilder into the protocol. What you've created is a ribbon with 3 simple buttons. So you select what study you want to pull across, you select the data you want to pull across, and let me just quickly demo it for you. So here we have a protocol template. It's a Novo Nordisk protocol template. And you can see we have the full talk out here. I want to demonstrate the flowchart and the objective endpoints tables because they are fairly complex to create. So I've already selected a study. Now I want to pull that information in. So now you can see we pull that information from StudyBuilder, the flowchart with all the activities, and let's jump down to the objective endpoints. Again, you can see we pulled a table across here. That's it.
In this video, we have demonstrated how OpenStudyBuilder has incorporated additional standards in addition to what is described with the USTM, and how this supports downstream usage. Please also watch our 2 other videos and visit our GitLab site for more information.